everyone, welcome back. Today I have Kathleen with me. Gorgeous friend. She is a sweetheart and she's very classy and she has a really fun haircut. So usually when Kathleen comes, she parts it this way. And I wish I would have thought, because the before we have it going this way, just because she had, styled it that way before she had come anyway, but we are changing it just by changing the part. So if you're getting haircuts, regularly, and you want to change it up, that is one thing you can do. You can change up the color, you can change the part. And so when she come and said, you know what, I want to change it up a little bit, I'm going to come from this side over. That's exciting. So it just changes it a little bit and she's really been liking it. So, okay, we're going to come to the back. We're going to take the length off here. Kathleen, do we go 6 or 7? 6?
6.
7 would be way too long. I don't know if you could do 7 weeks, right?
Yeah, I don't think I could.
Yeah. Yeah, then you would be nuts, huh? Do it yourself. Oh, that's cute. Cute. All right, so now we're just coming across. Okay, just cleaning that up. All right, now we are going to start here on the top. We're going to take about this much off. She likes it just so it's nice and easy. She can put some paste through it if she wants. She can just dry it and have it, soft if she wants, either or. What do you usually style it more? Do you go like a soft look or do you do the pieced out look?
During the day, I can soft look. I'm going to need it's just your activity, so I think.
Then you piece it out. Oh, I love that. That's so good to know. So yeah, she says she wears it soft at home. She's going to go out to any activities or anywhere, then she pieces it out. So that's awesome. It's a great idea, actually. A really good idea. Okay, now I'm coming here in the back and taking this tighter towards the nape of her neck. So funny, when I started cutting hair, I remember one of the first things, people say, well, how do you, comb the hair and hold the comb and the scissors and cut? And so it's so funny. You don't realize, you just get in the habit of it, but you comb the hair and then you grab it with your thumb. And so it's just funny. I thought it would be fun to kind of show that. You just brush it, comb it, and then just stick it in your thumb and it just holds it there. Because that's one thing, cutting hair, getting used to, is where to put everything. You have scissors and hair and trying to get it in the right spot. And yeah, you just stick it in the old thumb and okay. And then I always like to bring the hair down, clean this up nice and tight. Always comb those little hairs out so you don't have long ones once you dry it. Okay, and now we're going to go down this side. Yeah, I thought it was awesome that Kathleen said, you know what, let's change it up with the part. And because a lot of people, some people, it makes them nervous to change their part. In fact, it's kind of funny because there's a lot of people that'll be like, oh, sorry, I part on the wrong side. I'm like, wait, there's no wrong side. There is no side that your hair is supposed to be parted on. So anyway, yeah, just be daring and change it up and part it from another side. It'll feel good. Might feel weird for the first couple days, but once you get used to it, then you'll be good. And it does change it up, especially even if someone else doesn't notice as much, like just personal, like it's like a good change for yourself. Can tell that's a little bit longer right there, so I'm just going to take that, and then I will clipper over comb, make that nice and smooth right there. Okay, and then we are going to come up here on the top, and we're going to come straight across and cut this. And what's nice, if she's, like she says, she's wearing it soft at the house, it's nice and short, and we'll just go in its spot. And then if she wants to piece it out when she goes out, then it's nice and piecey. So you can do a soft or piecey look. How you doing, my dear? Good. Okay, just coming across around to up to these top layers here, or length. Okay, then I'm going to cut this up around her ear. Make this nice, clean cut. Make sure, like I say, just comb all those little hairs so you can get them. And then open and shut shears as you come down these sides, just so there's different lengths through here. Okay, now same with this, we're going to hold this out. Okay, now just comb that by the ear, take that length off. Come around the ear. Okay, open and shut shears like I said on the other side, and you can see I go up in and take some of the hair out, so there's different lengths there. If it's all the same length, it'll be too bulky. And it gives it a softer look if it's more pieced out. Just doesn't feel as heavy. So you can see how along the front, I just come in, take this. She's so classy. She reminds me of my mom. Totally reminds me of my mom. Oh, thank you. She is. Mom is just a classy, gorgeous gal. And that definitely is what you remind me of. So it's fun. Fun. Okay, so of course I'm just coming back through, making sure everything feels nice. Wow. Okay, then I'm going to take the texturizing shears. This will give her body. So even if, like she says, she wears it more soft at the house, it's nice to have this texture in there because it'll help the hair stand and lift, because sometimes even without product, if if you dry it a little bit, even without product, this texture will help it lift a little bit. So it's not like it's sticking to your face. So it doesn't dry as straight down. All right, now we are going to do clipper over comb in the back. And again, I like to do this because it cleans up the haircut and it helps my clients in between like their haircuts. It just keeps it nice and clean and tight. Sometimes if there's too much length here at the bottom, by the time they get back, it looks just a little bit out of place just because it has so much, it just is down here and bulking out that way. So if you just take this, clean it up a little bit, tighten it, definitely looks a little better, obviously, when it grows out. Okay. All right, now we're going to put some mousse in her hair. It's the Kenra mousse. I like the Kenra volume. It's the extra volume. It's the 17. Just rub it in good so it's on all the hair strands. I think sometimes people get in a hurry and they just throw in their mousse and go, but it really does help the style if you do it evenly. And then this is the volume and lift spray that I just sprayed in. And I'm just gonna dry this to the bottom, this down. She has a cowlick right here, so you can see I'm taking this part down first so it doesn't dry in its own spot. So if you have a cowlick, I would dry that spot first, and you're gonna wanna dry it against the cowlick. So if your hair grows up, you're gonna dry it down, obviously. Or if it goes to the side, you're gonna wanna dry it to the other side. So you can see I'm just coming down with this, back and forth with my fingers, coming towards the face. Back and forth in the front and the top. And again, towards the face on the side. Then when it's about 80% dry, then I go back and forth. So Kathleen, did it take you a while to get used to going to the other side? Or is it pretty easy? Good. Just wanting to let everybody know out there that they can change their part without, because a lot of people feel like once they've had their hair a certain way, and sometimes parts are very distinct. And it's almost like you just have to train your hair over a little bit if you really want to change. But hers has gone over really well. Like it's just going. So I love that. Okay, so I just took the flat iron throughout her hair. And then I'm going to take the styling paste. Just take a little fingertip, rub it in, then grab at the hair. I'm gonna turn her to the mirror so I can see. How's it feeling, sweetie?
Yeah.
Good. Thank you. Okay, then I'm just gonna take my back comb. Back comb this. And just up through the top a little bit. It had grown quite a bit on that top and sides, especially the top. Okay. Gotta look in the mirror one more time.
I could never get it fixed to where you've done it.
You're so sweet. Every time I see you, it looks amazing. But thank you. That was so nice. So, so nice. Okay, then I just sprayed into a spot. I love this hairspray because it holds, but it's not too sticky. And right here, I'm just gonna take a little bit of that length off. There's a little bit too much right there. Okay, Kathleen, thank you so, so much. You look darling. Yeah, you're welcome. Just gonna spray one more time. And then I will turn you around so you can see the back. Gorgeous gal. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you have a great day and we will see you next time.